For nearly 2 centuries, the U.S.-Mexico border in Arizona has separated the Tohono O'odham, their sacred sites, and ancestral lands, and has been a site of frequent struggles over sovereignty. In the place where clouds are formed, Ofelia Zepeda's poetry and Gareth Smit's photography investigates the intersections of religion, migration, and community in the Sonoran Desert, the original territories of the Tohono O'odham. The display at TMA, which is shown in O'odham, English, and Spanish, also includes creative explorations by activist Amber Ortega and potter Reuben Naranjo to further explore this land. This installation is part of a larger project which involved community exhibitions at the Tohono O'odham Community College and Museo Quitovac, as well as critical texts by Martín Zícari. The images in this gallery depict Tohono O'odham villages in Quitovac, San Francisco, and Sonoita, towns located in Sonora, Mexico, as well as Quito Baquito and the surrounding lands in southern Arizona. Poetry, interspersed in dialogue with the photographs, provide additional context and meaning to these places. Listen to one of the poems by Ofelia Zepeda now.
Nankomas Jewik, Cloud Song. Juda him obawu him, Daughter him obawu him, Justka him op him, Whoopik him by him. Greenly they emerge, in colors of blue they emerge, whitely they emerge, in colors of black they are coming, reddening they are right here.
Verdes emergen, en colores azules emergen, blancos emergen, en colores negros van llegando, enrojecidos ya están aquí.